Go! All right! So we've tried to make sure that where the chain is landing isn't going to hurt anything that we like. Alright, here we go. It wasn't done.
It's a manual seat, it's not power.
It's power on the side. Is it? Like you have it laid back like a...
Okay, enough chit chat. Just drop.
If I want to make it, I'm going to pull. It's getting close.
Well, pull forward slow and let's see if we're going to run out of chain or not before you hit the pole. Somebody lined us in a shitty spot. No names mentioned.
By the way, they asked me if I wanted the pole removed and I said no because that was another instance where y'all left me here alone. But I didn't know you did.
Okay, stop. Plenty of space. 4 feet. All right, back up. All right, let's try it. Let's try it from, well, shit. Problem is, I think we're only gonna do this one time where we gotta put all the computer and shit back in. Just don't hit the pole. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Just off the brake, coast. All right. Back up. That didn't do shit. All right, here we go, last try. I'll turn a little bit to your left, you're gonna hit the pole. A little bit left, right there. All right, off the brake, coast into it. No, back up, that didn't do shit. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, more, all the way. And a little bit more. Stop. Let off the brake. Do not touch the brakes again until it stops. No, back up. I don't know, it's not accelerating at all. Back up, back up, back up, back up. We're going to get one more shot at this. Back up, back up, back up. All right. Just barely touch the gas. All right. We ain't getting jack shit. All right, hit it. Give it some beans.
Oh God, I'm in the car.
I know. Okay. Did not help. Let me try this. I don't think we have any other choice. You're gonna have to floor it.
No. No.
Just what? I can't hear you anything. Because I don't have the base straight yet. Go. All right. Nope.
Brakes like slammed because the car's like
lined up here. So I think we have a good shot that we got it. Whew, a little violent, but whatever it takes. So the other thing I don't like is if you look at this rail, it seems nice and straight. That one seems to be popping a wheelie. But under closer flange that it bolts to is actually bent forward on the bottom. So I think if we take it back off, tap those lower attachments back so it sits flush, it should drop that corner down.
A few moments later.
You did like it was fucking good.
I was looking at the alignment. That looks a lot more square. This mounting face here doesn't have that kick out at the bottom anymore. All we did was find something hard enough to pound on and boom, boom. I know we should video all this crap, but it's hard to video and hold tools at the same time. Okay, we have re-implemented the individual frame straightener because after we did all the work over here, the bumper medium no longer fit. Alright, now we've lengthened the chain to allow the truck to hopefully build its own momentum without having to floor it like an idiot. Alright, go! Let's see what happens. Hold on tight. Woo! Flexy. Yeah, but I don't think it stayed. Let's go one more time. Alright. Let's try it. Okay, that didn't do anything. Back up! Yeah, you're at the end of the chain. Alright, stop. Alright, give it a better thump. Didn't do anything. Why are you listening to Mom? Alright, that's good right there. Alright. That actually appeared to do something. Let's try our beam and find out. Alright, so we're trying to match the beam across here.
Come on,
Hey,
you
I'm
on.
on, yay.
Look at that.
Alright.
Get that like a
But look, our mounting surface isn't very square this way. Sammy, shine it down here.
Can we just suck it in there?
So, hold on.
I'm in the same boat over here.
Alright, so let's do this. Let's take it off, and then we'll use our little hammer technique. As you can see, this bended forward and that bent forward.
Bended forward.
Shut up. Here, Thumper.
You think that
The
bent
old
forward?
man grunt.
You think that bent forward? Or you think that bent inward?
No, straighten that back up. Alright, let's try it. This is what happens when you don't have $50,000 worth of tools to work with. You use the $5 tools. You're on, aren't you?
I'm on, but
Let's see what happens.
it ain't perfect.
It's a heck of a lot better than it was a minute ago.
Forward almost. We overdrove the bottom.
We didn't do anything to that. What am I hitting?
It's fucking recording. I can chop out whatever.
What am I hitting? That?
Huh?
Am I hitting your bar? Oh, I'm hitting this.
Hose up in there, son.
Damn hose. Alright.
Hey, where are my nuts?
Single guy to know where his nuts are. drop.
We're gonna cut that out. That was the
Cut
worst
that
dad
out.
joke I've ever heard.
Don't insult Shane on camera. Everybody knows nuts haven't dropped.
Did you even video like the actual thing that you were pulling it with?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
So if you're right,
Which I
then
always am.
we should have to tap that.
Absolutely, we're gonna have to.
Now.
And moving it that way is gonna be way harder than moving it that way. Guaranteed.
So we're using the chain again?
Extension, to be honest. Square up here. I'm fucking good over here.
I mean, you're good for this having to get moved over. So that's gonna have to get tapped.
I think we're making a YouTube channel.
It's quality content.
What?
This is quality content.
Yeah, dude, this is Redneck frame machine at its finest.
Well, this can bang over without.
That one can, this one can.
Actually, you're being. Why?
So what happens whenever I just flex this outer plate? Like, this looks weak, dude, or I fucking break it, or fucking threads up, who cares? Just take the, let me take the fucking 10 mils out to get the fender.
Talking about screwing something into it.
I know, and then I hit the end of that, with a bolt, and I bend that bolt through and
I'm
get
just
all
not sure. I'm not sure you
wonky.
need to do that one. This one's definitely wonk from you wonking it.
This one's definitely wonk. This one's the definition of wonk. Don't hit it, don't hit it, don't hit it. Ah!
Why?
Extension, just put an extension in there.
Why would I let an extension on it?
Alright, whatever.
No, fuck, that ain't moving at all.
No, dude, it gets in hard.
Well, that sucks.
Slide hammer.
You gotta take the fender off then.
So? Alright, where's the tenders off? You get the slide hammer, I'll take the fenders off. It's like literally like a couple bolts.
Yeah.
Alright, video down here. Alright, fender removal on the 2014 Ford Escape. You have to pull this cowl right here because it's going to cover up this 10mm bolt up top. So you have a 10mm here, you have two 10mm mounted on this flat surface, one down here on the headlight that's currently missing, one on the interior of the fender. If you look through this hole, you'll be able to see it in there. Right there, you get up that through the wheel well. Wheel liners have to come out. And then two 10 mils down on the bottom down here. So if you come down here, you got two, one there, one there. You got one up top. The one down there is already out. The one on the headlight's already out. You got these two here. Set all those right there. You want to hold it like this so it doesn't fall. Oop, that one's off. So we take this guy out right here. Careful of the hood hinge, because you're going to slide it up over the top and remove.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna try to pull this bracket out that Shane beat the piss out of with a sledgehammer.
Okay, those are strong words. I barely hit it. That moved. That moved. Like a good deal, actually. Like quite a good deal.
Does it line up?
I don't know. You tell me.
Looks like it does.